Let's blow your mind with some so cool science time. What's the difference between mass and volume? Well, that's a wicked cool question, and I got a wicked cool answer, but first, I'm going to interrupt the flow of this video and keep you from seeing what you came here to see, because this video is sponsored by Fart Pills. Anytime you want to turn your pants into a musical instrument, make sure you get yourself Fart Pills. Again, that's Fart Pills. Because today we're talking volume, and I'm not talking about blasting your phone in a public place while everybody else is using headphones or earbuds. So, today I'm going to show you how to fool your friends, and then no, I'm not talking, like a Walmart employee, which honestly I believe would take about 2 hours to watch a 30-second fart nut video. Okay, which one of these objects do you think has more volume? Oh, well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you, and we're not even going to have to use math. Start by getting yourself a measuring cup and put in there about 500 milliliters of water. Then place a small clay ball inside the measuring cup. Then wrap the snake up and place that in the measuring cup and check it out. They both measure the exact same amount of milliliters displaced. Whoa, now that's so friggin' cool. You saw that both objects are actually the same exact volume. Yeah, that's so wicked cool. See, I bet you thought one of them was like more volume than the other one, and you probably thought I was going to teach you the math way to do it, and the math way is way more too difficult. You got to go get some water. So, why is it that both objects measure the exact same volume even though they don't look like it? And what exactly is the difference between mass and volume anyways? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. The difference between volume and mass is that volume is the amount of space matter takes up, while mass is the amount of matter within an object. So a balloon has a larger volume than a baseball because it takes up more space, while a baseball has more mass because it has more matter than a balloon. When we measure from point A to point B, we get a measurement called distance, such as 1 meter. When we measure the length by the width, we get a measurement called an area, such as 1 square meter. When we multiply the area by the distance, we get a measurement called a volume, or 1 cubic meter. Although you can use mathematics to find the volume of a perfect three-dimensional object, when it comes to irregular shaped objects, scientists use water to find the volume of those objects. When we place an object in water, it displaces some water. When we take the displaced amount of water and subtract it from the original volume of water, we get the object's cubic centimeters, or 59 cubic centimeters. The Earth's ocean contains 1.38 billion cubic kilometers of water. So now you know more about definitive units. Being able to trick your friends into thinking two objects are different volumes is why science is the right proportion.